Okay, so this is the motherboard. Getting some shadow there. Okay. Now the next thing is the processor. This is the Pentium processor. Then I mentioned that the processor goes into the motherboard at this place. This will be shown next week in more detail, so not much point in close.
The hard disk, the video card. Hard disk.
The hard disk.
Video card.
Okay. The video card.
Sound card without.
And I mentioned that the video card goes into the motherboard. Okay, like this.
Sound card.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I think maybe I showed the sound card.
Yeah.
This is the sound card. And the sound card goes into the motherboard out here into these slots. And it fits in here like this. Okay, so this is easy. Then we've got the CD-ROM drive, which looks like this. This is quite inexpensive today.
Mouse.
Then we talked about the cabinet. So I don't know how you want to show this.
Just connect. Okay.
Okay. Then this is the sound card.
So
This
this
is
is
the video card.
Is that
That's it.
Yeah. Action.
Then you need the, you're getting only the RAM. Yeah, that's fine. Then you need RAM, which is your main memory. And today that's very cheap. In fact, a 64 megabyte module like this can cost you just 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. And it goes also into your main motherboard out here.
okay?
Okay.
That's it.
And here is
This is the floppy disk drive. Okay.
Okay.
And finally the CD-ROM drive.
Okay. Are you fixing one of these screws?
Yeah. Is this visible?
Work around.
So what I'll do is I'll just do that again. Are you rolling or?
Rolling.
So we're going to put the screw in out here. So you take the screw on the screwdriver and just put it in here so that it fits and tighten it once. Sorry, I'll just do that again. So we take the screw, put it on the screwdriver, put it in out here and then tighten the screw into place. Okay? This part is done.
Okay.
Next, we take the processor. And the processor goes in only one way. And we put this in out here. And we tighten it. Goes in and we lock it. You need to, it's all black. You want to see it done like this? Processor goes in here, aligns into the slot, goes in carefully and clicks into place. And you lock it like this. Okay?
No fan.
Okay, so this is, then you have to connect the fan like this.
And the baby.
Align carefully, put it here like this so that the notches match and clicks into place. PI card, and this again, this shot has to be used later inside the cabinet. So this is the video slot, AGP. This is going to go in. Okay, once in here, AGP. And this is going to go in like this. Now we've got our board, our processor, our memory, and all the drives in place on the cabinet. We're going to take this board, fit it to the cabinet, lock it into place, turn the cabinet over, and then start connecting all the wires that connect these various components together. So the first thing we will do is connect this up, align it carefully, and click it into place. Okay. So okay, this is fine. Now break. This, I guess you can keep on, but how will you show this stuff? Okay, let me see. Can you see it this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Aligning it into place and clicking it in. Okay?
Okay.
Now that the machine is complete and ready to go, all that remains is to connect the external connectors. The keyboard, the mouse, and the various other cables like the power cable and the video cable that actually make up your entire machine. Okay, so this is the keyboard, then this is the mouse. Okay, that's basically it. The other things are not required to be. Okay. And it works. Well, that was pretty simple, wasn't it? Sometimes when you're assembling